good afternoon, good morning, good evening. I am Joseph,
And I'm Rosie.
and welcome to the Joseph and Rosie Show. And here we are. Again, we're on episode 3 now.
Yeah.
Not episode, episode 3.
Yes. It's just that we have part 1 at part 2 ng ng dalawang two videos.
Today is the Valentine's
Valentine's
special.
What?
Valentine's special. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
So the Valentine's special, so we're gonna talk about
Unconditional love.
love, the whole thing. And then unconditional love as well too. But we're gonna talk about love.
Love.
Okay. So love, we're gonna talk about love kasi we're
It's
celebrating
love month.
Love month, yeah. So we're celebrating Valentine's Day. Gonna actually advance. This is gonna show today, Wednesday. This is gonna so we're gonna have the videos every Wednesday. So just letting you guys know, our podcast will be aired every Wednesday. New episodes, new even though it's a part 1 or part 2. So every Wednesday. So you guys, if you are subscribed or if you are following us in Facebook and Instagram, follow the link below and please subscribe. Okay, so let us start. Okay, just like what I said earlier, you have two options. So ang gagawin namin today is the chicken barbecue or back home we call it chicken inasal or chicken barbecue. It doesn't matter, whatever you call it. It's made out of barbecue sauce and soy sauce or toyo. Okay? Some people like it with garlic and onion. They slice and dice it. But for me kasi, I already...
Yung iba may tanglad.
Oh, may tanglad. Yeah, you can put tanglad as well. Tanglad is the bay leaf.
No.
No, tanglad. Tanglad. Mali pala, mali.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass is tanglad. Okay, there you go. I'm so sorry.
Bay leaf ay yung dun sa adobo.
Ay, sa adobo yun, yung bay leaves. Okay. Alright, so, going back. Correction. Okay, so, for me, my thing is the barbecue sauce kasi it's already mixed. And I just have to put in. Kasi sabi nga, di ba natin, we're trying to do it here is yung mabilis ang luto. But again, slicing, dicing onion and garlic, and then put some soy sauce on it, it's easy. To slice onion, I hope not. Then that's probably gonna take you time longer.
Yeah.
Or you're gonna take you longer time. Or basta yung
Mas
mapahaba.
matagal.
Kasi English na English eh. Okay, so for now, sa akin, we're gonna cook the chicken. You can either defrost the chicken
Okay.
and then papakuluan mo siya on that time that you are
Defrosting it.
you want to cook it.
Sorry. Talaga.
Yeah.
Supporting lang talaga ako dito.
Yeah.
Walang
Or you can do it, you can prep it actually the day off, or for example, you have time tonight, you can actually defrost it, or if it's already defrost, it's fresh, you just mix the toyo and you mix the soy sauce, the onion, and the garlic without cooking it, just mix it in there.
Marinate. What you mean is
yeah.
marinate. Yun.
The
Marinate
short
mo siya.
word is marinate.
Yeah,
Yun.
marinate with, pag samasamahin mo siya ng may,
Toyo?
ibabad mo siya, yun. Ibabad mo ang manok ng may toyo, sibuyas, bawang.
That's it.
Yun lang.
And then if you want sugar, medyo matamis kasi barbecue is a little bit
matamis
sweety.
na to eh.
Yeah, so
Pero
if
kung
you want, kasi yung inasal sa atin is a mix of
parang medyo
vinegar.
smoky na yun.
Yeah. Huwag
Hindi
kasi
siya
inihaw.
matamis eh.
Kasi inihaw. So ipapakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano mag-ihaw dito sa kalan. Sa na hindi mo siya you don't need grill to parang ihawin siya.
Oo.
You can actually really toast it or na iano mo yung skin to be toasted or to be parang siya ihaw style. Okay. So, again, ang ingredients is for me is the barbecue sauce. You can pick any barbecue sauce, but for me it's the hickory smoke sauce, barbecue sauce and honey garlic. So, I don't
Parang
need...
medyo matamis.
Yeah. So, pinagsama ko yan and then the soy sauce. What I do is I use the Nor Original seasoning because it comes with the seasoning and toyo na ulit. And then, of course, the lovely butter. And tong, and then yan. So, right now, pinakuluan ko to ng at least kasi frozen medyo frozen ng konti. So, pinakuluan ko para mapabilis. So, ganun din ang gawin nyo. Ipakuluan nyo, kunyari, medyo frozen siya. Pakuluan nyo, ilagay nyo na yung ingredients nyo. So, ganun din ang ginawa ko. Nilagyan ko na ng barbecue sauce, nilagyan ko na ng toyo. So, this is what happened. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. So, ganyan ang magiging itsura niya. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off. Pinatay ko na. So, boil it for at least 5 to 6 minutes para lang matanggal yung medyo, hindi ice, pero maluto ng konti. Para maluto na rin yung loob. Kasi, chicken is different from pork and beef. Kasi, chicken has, it's tender compared to the beef and pork na mas madali siyang maluto. Pag pinakuluan mo or ano. And then, yun nga lang, you really have to remove yung lansa niya. Yung kasi may lansa.
Dapat ba nalagay ng ginger para matanggal yung lansa?
Hindi na kailangan lagyan ng ginger. Kasi yung ginger, what it does, you can, if you want that spicy taste. Kasi yung ginger is a little bit spicy, right?
Okay.
So, ako, ganito lang ang gagawin ko.
Binaliktad mo lang siya.
Binaliktad ko lang siya ngayon kasi I already have the barbecue. As you can see, guys, nakikita nyo na nag-ano na siya, nagkakaramel.
Oo, nagka-caramelize.
Caramelize. So, yun, medyo nasusunog siya ng konti. So, what I'm gonna do, kasi yun na nga, nagkaroon na ako ng 6 to 7 minutes, ang gagawin ko na dyan is I'm gonna transfer the remaining sauce. Again, mabilisan ito, 1 minute lang. So, ilalagay ko na muna yung chicken sa plate. Tingin plate. Yung assistant ko. Tada! Napakaganda kong assistant. Wow!
Of course.
Ayan, as you can see, hindi pa siya masyadong hindi siya lutong-luto ba? Di ba meron tayong oven? You can either broil or I'm gonna show you guys kasi people are asking me how am I doing it using the pan. So, ang gagawin ko na ngayon, high heat. I'm gonna use the butter. Butter again. Mahilig ako sa butter eh. And then, as you can see guys, meron na akong prepare nito. This is the sauce na pinaghalo ko to. And then, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mong lasa. Kasi it's up to you if you want sweetie or if you want just more barbecue. It's really up to you guys. But my preference is medyo matamis. Okay? So now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the butter. Oh. So as you can see, my butter is this much. I don't know if you guys can see it.
More than, baka 1.5 tablespoon.
No. Yeah, 1.5 tablespoon. So while it's melting the butter, dyan yun na ilalagay yung chicken. Yun o. So again, as you can see, luto na yung chicken, di ba? Medyo luto na. So hindi mo na iintindihin or hindi mo na po problemahin yung lutuin pa yung loob mismo.
Yeah. You just need to caramelize na lang.
Oo.
Parang yung ihaw
Ihaw
thingy.
effect.
Yeah. Tama. Yun yung the right term na ginagawa. Ihaw thingy.
So
Ihaw
ihaw
effect.
effect. Yeah. So you're gonna make sure that the skin are toasted or crispy. Parang ihaw effect. So later on, you're gonna see it. So what I do as well, when I bought the chicken, I slice it. I slice the joints. So nakikita nyo, di ba yung thigh part, may joints dito? Ini-slice ko yung part na yan at saka yung joint dito sa may thigh part mismo, sa buton, dalawa. Ini-slice ko rin yan. Para pumasok yung init at maluto rin yung joint na part na yun. Okay? That's a good way to cook it as well. Okay, some of you probably thinking, is there other part of the chicken? Kasi merong ibang tao na they don't eat thigh part. They want to eat the breast part. You can also do that. It's just that the breast part kasi is, it's more meat. Mahirap pumasok yung lasa. So what I do is I poke it. Poke it with a fork or slice sa side nung sa side ng breast. Slice the make a hole. Not too big but enough to
para
pumasok yung lasa sa loob.
Or marinate it
Marinate the day before, yeah. As you can see, papakita ko ulit sa inyo. Ayan na, nagkakaramelize na. So, ayun na yung effect nung
yung ihaw.
Yung ihaw effect, kumbaga. Yung barbecue sauce na mix ko, now I'm gonna apply it. Now, it's up to you guys. If you don't have the brush, you can use the spoon too. That works as well. So, parang nag-iihaw ka lang din, right? You're probably asking, when are you gonna turn it? At least probably a couple minutes, you can turn it. Kasi again, remember, naka-high yung yung naka-high.
Yun ang sinukan, 75.
Now, again, it's up to you kung gaano ka heat, kung high yung heat na gusto mo. But I prefer at least 100 to 80% yung heat dun sa stove na. And then for the oven, I see the best result for broiling if it's at 400 degrees. So as you can see, ayan na yung barbecue effect niya. And smells good. So again, we're almost done here, and that's it, right? And that's around 15 to 20 minutes of your time of cooking. And then,
para lang yung marinate time.
yung marinate time, of course, you can do it the day before if you have time before you sleep. You marinate mo na, ilagay mo na sa fridge.
Para ka na lang, prito-prito.
Yeah.
Or broil ka na lang.
So, this is what it looks like. Again, don't burn it too much kasi papait. This is just the charcoal part, yung parang ihaw effect. Right? So, you can also slice divide it into 3 parts. Yung thigh part, yung leg and thigh part, you can slice it into 2 as well para mas madaling lutuin. Or you can have all of this. Kasi ito, the reason why I did this is one whole piece is good for one person. You know what I mean? So, and then while we're waiting for that, she's gonna apply. So again, guys, yung sauce you don't just apply it. You have to cook the.
Apply again.
Yeah, apply it first. So yung sauce, you have to cook it. So itong sauce na itong ina-apply namin is luto na. What I mean by luto na is ilalagay ko siya sa small kaldero, small pan, papainit ko, and then minimix ko lahat ng ingredients bago ko gamitin dito para I don't have to worry about cooking the ingredients. Kasi pag itong ingredients na to is meant to be cooked, kaya nga nilalagay sa sa ihaw, di ba? So, dun sa mga nagtatanong paano kong ginagawa yan, again, there's 2 ways that you can either broil it in your oven, dito sa loob, broil for 400 degrees, or you can use the pan, and just, para kang nagpiprito, you're just like frying. Pero, put it in a high heat. Again, it's either 100% or 80%. Okay? Depende sa dami ng niluluto mo.
Just be careful lang, baka nasusunog na, nakakalbit ka pa din.
Oh, yeah. And then of course, it's up to you kung ano yung ano mo. Kasi may iba na burner na they're using flame. Meron iba yung old school na may coil na nakalabas more directly. Kasi we're using a glass one. Hindi siya masyado mainit. Controlled talaga yung temperature. So, that's why naka-heighten nyo na. Ilagyan ko siya ng toyo kanina. Yan. Oh. So, di ba nakita nyo kanina, tinabi ko yung pinagkuluan. The reason why is I'm gonna use it sa aking final touching sa chicken. Why? The reason being is kasi meron yung flavor nung chicken, right? Yun yung chicken stock na we're calling it. So you're covering it. And that's it. Same goes with this. And again guys, this is basically para siyang gravy. Yon, yung gravy na malapot. As you can see, malapot na malapot siya.
Pero hindi lasang gravy, ha?
Oh, hindi siya lasang gravy. Para lang siyang gravy.
Para lang may sauce yung ano mo, yung... Ang tawag dito? Yung
So, here you go.
chickens mo.
That's the one.
Yes. And we're back.
Alright,
Ayan.
thank you so much. Oh, nakapaglinis na kami. Even though hindi mo ako nalinis. Pero nakapaglinis na kami, nakapagayos. Okay, so, taste test na. So, tikman muna natin yung barbecue sauce.
Yes.
This is the barbecue sauce. And
And
then kumuha kami ng
Nagre-request
konting
yung
barley.
Yeah, not ano pala guys, pero barbecue. Let's try this.
So then you guys can mix match it with gulay. Some guys use pechay or
Mm.
pag sinabi, hindi masarap.
Hindi, yung barbecue matamis siya.
So, matamis
Pero
na.
not so matamis.
Barbecue is, it's the one that I use is honey with honey.
Mhm.
So, if you guys really don't want sugar, pero maganda kasi yung sugar dahil caramelize niya yung chicken. But if you guys don't want really sweet, I would go for honey. Kasi yung honey is really good. Healthy pati. Barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Chicken barbecue.
Nag-create ng ibang lasa yung toyo. Yung nor seasoning.
What is it?
Yung asim ng konti. Kasi may asim yun, di ba?
Wala.
Wala? Di ba't maasim?
Baka sila na.
Totoo, may asim siyang konti.
Tignan ko nga. Wala na lasa sa chicken. Yung chicken ko, yung leg part, lasang inasal.
Asim yung
Wala naman.
For me, para siyang may lemon.
Oh. Actually, yun yung pwede kong isa-suggest ko. Kasi you can use vinegar or lemon or calamansi sa Pilipinas.
Ba't ganun? Ba't ganun yung lasa ko?
Is it good?
Yes, this one, parang for me, I prefer yung kung ayaw mo ng masyadong matamis.
Chicken inasal.
Chicken inasal.
Yeah.
Yung toyo.
Yeah. Again, yung toyo part, just cook it with onion, garlic, or not marinate it with toyo.
But
nor
they
seasoning.
usually to, ginagamit
vinegar.
nila yung, ang tawag din yung Sprite. Sa pag-marinate. Do you suggest that?
You can. Ang Sprite kasi it adds the the reason why you use Sprite or wine is to yung gagawin niya yung chicken na malambot, yung meat part na malambot. Yun lang yun. Pero hindi niya lulutuin. And then yung Sprite, it's a little bit sweet, right?
Yeah.
So that adds to it.
Adds flavor,
Yeah. So you prefer the
Yung
the
inasal.
inasal part.
So the inasal part is the toyo, the soy sauce, the onion, and the garlic one with vinegar or lemon or calamansi, and put a little bit of honey or sugar. It's really up to you.
Pero, kahit alin, sarap.
Mm.
Nauubos ko na nga yung matamis.
Yeah, so madalian lang. Natapos na tayo. Kagad. After an hour. Ang dami kasing dal-dal. Okay. Alright.
Isa kasi medyo medyo may pagka masyadong meaty kesa dun sa leg part, diba? Okay. So, yung...
Oh, by the way as well, yung sabi ko nga kanina, for the breast part, if you guys don't like the fat, kasi there's two kind ng chicken, di ba? In the fat side, or the fatty side, or the dirty meat, they call it. The dark meat and the white meat. Yan, dark meat and white meat. So if you don't like the dark meat, kasi medyo fatty siya, you can use the breast part. And the breast part will basically, we just have to marinate it. Para yung meat, it will go,
May lasa.
Oh, may bisita pala tayo. Say hello to...
Ayan.
Yon, say hi! Hello! Say hi to them. Magulo ng hair mo. Say hello! Bababa na. Sige. Sige na, you can go down na.
Wait na yung pagkain. 10's the highest?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, 10 ako.
Wow! Lagi na lang 10. Wala na, mas masyadong bias.
Tagakain kasi
Of
ako.
course, hindi na kita pagluluto.
Wow.
No, actually, our dog will tell the truth. Pero I don't feed him chicken, so it's bad for his skin and his tummy. So anyway, now we're here. We're gonna talk about... Ang tagal nun na. So, we're here. We're gonna talk about love. Okay, all right. So I guess the first question is, what is love? Ano ba yung love? Ano ba yung love na yan? So if you search it in Google,
Wow, nakapag-search siya sa Google.
sabi nga ni AI,
Sabi
Google
niya.
AI. So sabi niya, love is complex. Sabi niya rin, love is powerful. Love is like a powerful emotion, strong of affection. Yan. Deep attachment and connection. And also, it's a encompassing care. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi ko alam ibig sabihin. And also, unselfish concern. Sabi nga nila, di ba? For another well-being. Pag mahal mo isang tao, you will care about that person's well-being. Right? Unselfish, magiging unselfish ka. Di ba? Sabi nga nila, love is, if unselfish ka,
Selfless.
blind.
Ay?
Kasi busy kumakain. So, yeah, love is blind. Kaya nga naging unselfish ka, di ba?
Oh, okay.
Right? Kasi hindi mo na nakikita yung...
Yung mali at tama dun sa
Yes.
tao. You just love that person.
Yes.
Wala ka ng reasoning.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n.
Yeah, love is involving intimacy, commitment. Yan ang mga definition. Yan ang definition eh.
Nakita mo?
Oh, yun yung nakita ko anyway. So sa affection and attachment, a strong, warm, personal bond, feeling of closeness. Meron nga dyan yung love ng friendship, love ng family. Meron din romantic, yung partner mo. Sa family, syempre yung love ng parents to their kids, the kids to the siblings, the kid to the auntie and uncles, and pinsan or cousins, right? Yun yung yung family part. And then yung friendship part, of course, andyan yung best friend, you can tell your friends your
Yung mga
secrets.
walang filter, mga gano'n.
Precisely. Yan. So, friendship, masasabihan mo ng
Mga problema.
hindi naman lahat ng problema.
Pero may masasabihin.
masasabi ka. Andyan sila to help you. Meron din yung selflessness, yung universal. Yun naman yung love ni
Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ and God. Yun yung tinatawag na
Unconditional love.
yes. Ang galing ng mall. Hindi namin hindi namin practice to Okay, so, ang, yun yung definition ng love sa'yo, para sa'yo. Ano ba yung love for you?
Naalala ko, nung grade school ako, ang lagi kong definition ng love, dun sa mga, anong tawag doon?
Oo, yung, anong tawag doon? May tawag.
Slam book.
Oh, slam
I
book,
always
yes.
put there,
Yeah.
love is like a rosary, full of misery.
Wow!
Lagi kong nilalagay. Oh my gosh, no? Pero, kidding aside, for me, a part of what you said, no, i-build up ko lang siguro. Yes, it's a strong feeling of affection.
Mhm.
Pero when you're being in love, it's like a posture of your heart. Wherein, what I mean of posture of your heart, it means yung andoon yung patience mo, yung grace, yung kindness, yung humility, yung mercy, yung parang you're being selfless as well on that specific person na you're in love with, kahit na ano pa yan, kahit na family yan, or your partner, or your friends, still, it's a form of affection na parang kayang-kaya mo silang pagpasensyahan. Kahit na sometimes your life is being jeopardized, ganun. Pero, meron kang hindi maintindihan, madali sa'yo ang magpatawad, madali sa'yo na mag-extend ng grace. Kaya nga sabi ni Mahal kanina na love is blind. Yun. That's for me. Ikaw ba, personally, ano sa'yo? Ang love?
Alam mo, sa dinami-dami na ng experience ko,
Mm-mm.
as a parent, as a son, as a brother,
Mm-mm.
as a sister. As a sister. Also
Are
a
we
friend,
Oo.
as a husband, as a
Mm.
father.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo, dun yung sacrifice.
Yeah. You always sacrifice, to the people you love.
Yung sacrifice is to the point that you're happy kasi you see them happy.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
You were able to serve them as well.
Kasi yun yung yung happiness, pag nagmahal ka,
Mm-hmm.
yung happiness mo is to see them happy. Kahit sino pa yan, kahit friend mo pa yan, kahit anak mo pa yan, kahit ano, as long as they are happy and successful,
Mm-mm.
yun yung contentment mo.
Mm-mm.
It's yung self-satisfactory mo.
Self-satisfaction.
Yeah, that's basically the love, yung description ko nun.
Mm.
Kasi parang dati kasi sabi mo Islam book, 'di ba? Marami yun yung traits na describe love. Love is unselfish. Love is blind. Like, yun yung mga typical na natin. Answers Pero as you go through life, right? Yung tumanda ka na, you go through those experiences and dun mo makikita yung real definition of love, and yet you're still learning. You know, kahit 65, 75 years old ka na, you're still learning of what is love, really. Right? And then we have in this me and her, we have this na point of our life na we learn about Jesus Christ, and then we're learning about unconditional love. Right?
Yes.
That's it. Yun yung yung bata tayo, wala naman sinasabi sa atin yung conditional love. Basta sabi lang sa atin, love ka ni Jesus Christ, love ka ni God. Diba? Pero we really don't have that definition of, love ako ni Jesus Christ, but
Anong klaseng pagmamahal?
precisely,
Yes.
right? We just know that love, Jesus Christ might be blind as well. Or Jesus Christ is selfless, right? But we really don't know to the extent na
Gaano nga ba?
gaano yung unconditional love. Right? That's what we're gonna talk about
Yes.
after defining love. What it's meant to be love for you.
What is meant to be loved by you?
By someone.
By
Yeah.
Ako, kapag family, I feel love kasi ang ano ko, ang love language ko is service. Kapag anong tawag doon, inaalagaan ka.
Sa family, sa
Yeah,
family
sa
mo.
family
Inaalagaan
ko.
ka ng family mo.
Oo, tapos they check up on me. Yan, I feel
Ano
love.
sila,
Even though-
doktor?
like, yung kamustahin ka man lang, ganyan.
Oo, okay.
Sabi ko, ikat mo nga yun, alit mo.
Oh, sige, joke lang.
Bakit? Ulitin mo.
Oh, sige.
Ulitin
Tapos.
mo, ulitin mo.
So, what it means to be loved?
So, for me nga, ulitin mo. Pangit. Ang pangit ng entry ko. Sa family ko, I don't need words.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi nga, hindi naman ako, well, words of affirmation, it parang confirms lang ng feeling.
Mm-hmm.
Pero yung them taking care of me and even yung pagkamusta, simpleng pagkamusta
Mm-hmm.
is enough for me actually.
Yeah.
Kasi ako yun naman yung tao na na I would love to give more
Yeah.
kaysa ako yung tatanggap. Pero it's ay sorry, naiyak ako. Hey, cut natin! Pero, ayun. Yun. Yun lang. Ayoko na. And they're taking care of me. At saka yung kapag kinukumusta ko. Kahit na super busy ako na sagot ko lang, okay naman ako, ganyan. So, yung maalala lang din ako sa birthday ko, yung mga ganun. Mga simpleng bagay. Ayun.
Mm-hmm.
I feel loved by you kapag pinagluluto mo ko. At saka yung every time you think of me, you being so selfless.
Parang hindi naman.
Hindi, lagi ka nga eh.
Nare-reklamo ka nga. Parang hindi naman ako selfless.
Oo, meron ka. May mga moments kami na na may mga times kami na talagang na every relationship naman hindi naman talaga yan perfect.
Oo. Yeah.
We
go through.
we have struggles too na syempre yung tone of voice, pati yung how we deliver, ganyan. Pero I feel loved kapag yun nga every time na sinusundo niya ako sa work, ihahatid niya ako kahit pagod na pagod siya, ipagluluto pa niya ako. Kasi alam niyo naman, di talaga ako nagluluto. Ayan, siya lang talaga yung mas maalam magluto. Ayan, maaasahan niya ako magluto ng sinaing, maghugas ng pinggan. Minsan nagluluto rin naman ako. Pero madalas talaga yung luto ko medyo palpak.
Hindi.
Ayan.
Hindi. Sarap yung pagkain.
Naku, ka lang, nagiging generous ka lang. Ayan, ganun. Kasi, yun nga, I
Masarap
feel,
yung ano niya. Yung pagkain niya. Close fingers.
kasi nga, my love language talaga is yung, I feel love. Kapag I'm receiving, acts of service is my, yan. Ako naman, kapag, I'm giving love, through giving, doon naman ako. It's I don't do as well affirmation. Yan, bihira. Tapos, sometimes lang talaga, acts of service. Acts of service, ganon. Pero, hindi always. Ang ko talaga is, I'm more of a giver. Ganon. Like, sa gifts, ganyan. Good. Ito na ako.
How about sa friends?
Friends!
What it means to be loved by a friend for you?
By a friend. Ako, when they are, kapag yung, I feel love kapag yung alam mong nakikinig sila at saka, they're with you through thick and thin. Yun, so yun. Yun yung masasabi ko na I feel love. Yeah. Saka yung mga simpleng, sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung mga simpleng kamusta. Yan, okay na sa akin yan. Them being with you through thick and thin. And they are ready to listen as well. Yung kapag nangangailangan ka talaga, they will make time.
Despite
to-
of the busy,
the busy schedule. Pero alam mo, ang when you're in love, forgiveness is easily given. Yun yung,
Yes. Yeah.
parang, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko, love, yung parang you have more grace towards those people na mahal mo.
True.
Ayun.
True.
Yun sa akin, mahal. Ikaw?
Sa akin naman,
Mhm.
what it means to be loved for me.
Mhm.
Number one sa family.
Mhm.
Yun nandiyan yung understanding nila sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
Being honest nila sa'yo.
Mm-mm.
Yung they will take care of you as well at the
Mhm.
same time. Yung nandiyan yung despite of you being a black sheep of the family,
Mhm.
they will be there still and understand you and love you truly.
Mhm.
Hindi yung basta lang, kapatid ko yan, ganito, ganito. Or meron kasi iba dyan na kapatid na kasi mapera yung kapatid niya, kaya lagi siya nandun. Alam mo yun? Yung ganun sa family, di ba? Yung sinasabi nga nila yung family is thicker than whatever.
Blood is thicker than water.
Yeah, blood is thicker than water. Kasi, alam mo yun, yung kadugo mo. Pero, alam mo, ang dami ko nang naririnig
Mhm.
na family mo pa yung magda-down sa'yo,
Mhm.
yung parang iaano ka pa. So, I feel bad na nangyayari yun.
Mm-mm.
Kasi you can be transparent naman dun sa tao, dun sa family mo. If they're doing something wrong, then tell them, right? There's nothing wrong with it. That's love.
Tough love yun.
Tough love, yeah.
Mhm.
It's your family. Pero not to the point na you're gonna use that person. That's a different love na.
Mhm.
It's not love anymore. It's using another person.
Mm-mm.
Yun. When it comes to yung parents nga, di ba?
Mhm.
Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung sa parents. Kasi we want to incorporate it with Jesus Christ, with God, with the unconditional. That's why. But anyway, that's with family, whether it's siblings or uncles, relatives. That's a trend. That's actually a trend, you know. It's rare na makikita mo yung magkasanggang magkapatid talaga or cousins, you know, uncles, you know. Laging mag-aaway at the end. There's always something at the end. Yung I hear people fighting about land, alam mo, yung sa lupa, common yan sa atin. Andyan yung pamana, mag-aaway-aaway, they don't like each other, namatay lang yung family, yung namatay lang yung parents. I'm so sorry, I'm gonna be straightforward. And tamaan na yung tamaan na po yung dapat tamaan na po yung magalit na po yung tatamaan, pero I'm so sorry po to offend you kung
Huwag
ikaw.
po kayo magalit.
Yeah.
We're just stating a fact.
Yes, that's the fact. Yan, sinasabi lang namin kung ano yung nangyayari.
Oo, kasi parang usually yan yung issue ng family. Hindi naman siya nangyayari lang sa isang pamilya eh. Parang it's common.
It is common. It's really common.
Usually yung nagiging problema.
Yeah, money.
Mm-mm.
Money, pamana. And like, ako kasi, I don't get it talaga eh. I really don't get it. Kung bakit nyo pag-aawayan nyo. At the end naman, we're all gonna die.
Hindi mo
Sorry
naman-
being morbid rin. Hindi mo naman madadala sa lupa. Well, madadala mo sa lupa yung katawan mo. Mapupunta ka sa ilalim ng lupa. Pero, I mean,
the wealth and everything.
yung iniwan mong legacy na, yan taong yan, napaka greedy niyan taong yan. Dahil lumabas yung tunay niya ugali. Yan ang nagigets nyo, yung parang that's for me anyway. That's my opinion. So, we have different opinion. Ngayon, nasa sa inyo yan. Baka nga may pinagdadaanan or may worries ka or meron kang alam mo yun, na ayokong iwanan yung family ko mismo,
Mm-mm.
na walang pamana, walang ganito, ganyan. Pero I mean, come on. Right?
Yeah.
Pamana nga sa'yo yun eh. Kung ano man yung binigay sa'yo, accept it with grace.
Mm-hmm.
Grateful heart. Kasi binigyan ka. Pero ibang tao dyan, wala nga na ibibigay eh. May utang pa na pinamana. Nagigets mo? So anyway, for partner naman, the best example, mahal.
Mm-hmm.
Ito nakatabi ko rito.
Mm-hmm.
You know, all throughout, I've been searching for a person na, alam mo yun, with the heart of God, yung kay God talaga. And alam mo, sabi ko nga kung ma-meet kita before, we're probably gonna be okay, pero I'm probably not gonna be as mature as what I am now. Maintindihan ko yung hinahanap ko talaga. So, God always have His own time.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? That's why you're here.
Yeah.
Right? I'm thankful. I'm with a grateful heart, humility, dumating kayo sa buhay ko na that's why we're here.
Yeah.
Talking about love.
Yes.
Right? I'm not gonna be like this right now if it weren't for you. Of course, yung mga past relationship ko rin. If we weren't for them, my family and my friends, I won't be here. I won't be like this person. You know, bad or good experience.
Yeah.
Yun naman di ba? And that's, kumbaga, through life, we really cannot define a certain word like love if we don't go through it step by step, kung ano talaga yung definition ng word na yun. Right? So,
and alam mo ba, mahal, I'm so grateful with the Lord kasi I am a witness how you have changed. Oo, mahal. Nung una tayo nagkakilala, you're just bold about you being with a believer, ganun. Pero, even your lifestyle is now changed. You are more devoted pa nga when it comes to reading the Bible, knowing God. At saka, isa sa kinakakatuwa ko, you are more into worship songs na. Hindi na, dati kapag nag-drive tayo, mga kung ano-anong music, parang bihira talaga na ako yung magpapatugtog. Pero right now, ikaw, ang lagi na nating pinapakinggan is all Christian songs. Nakakatawa. Ayun, talaga, the Lord has ways, and I see how He is changing you for better.
Because of you.
No, it's not me actually.
He made you a tool.
Yeah, it's the Lord actually.
You're the hammer.
And your heart.
You're the hammer.
Tagal po ba?
Ano yung ginagawa mo? Ay, sandali.
Ay, mali pala. Ay, baloktot po. Tuwirin natin.
Again, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Puso Day. Happy Hearts Day.
Happy Hearts Day. Happy Puso Day. Happy Love Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy God's Day.
Happy God's Day. So, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and then you have updates of what the videos gonna come out. And then I hope you guys learned something today. Subscribe, like, and share please. If you think na someone's gonna be able to learn something dun sa mga sinabi namin, yung mga people na nag-struggle, family, love, relationship, please share us. I hope we can share something to you guys today. Yung pagluluto, lalo na yung mga pagluluto. I know that it's simple at saka mabilis, pero I hope you guys learn something from it.
Yes.
Any last words?
Wala. You have said everything.
I'm sorry. Yun. So, share please. Share to your friends and families. Yun. Subscribe. And we have our Facebook as well. Instagram. Joseph and Rosie.
Yeah. Wala.
Joseph and Rosie.
Yeah. Wala.
Joseph and Rosie.
Yes.
Joseph and Rosie. Ulit-ulit. Okay, hello. Thank you. Thank you again, guys. And have a
See you
great
on the
day.
next one.
Yeah, see you next one. Pag-usapan naman natin ito.
Mm.